What's this? Oh.
A hard-headed woman, this is what I sing about Laurie,
You
actually.
were once like
Wow.
That sounds like Cat Stevens to me. It is, isn't it? I fucking love Cat Stevens.
Do you think Laurie's a hard-headed woman?
She's a hard-headed woman.
She's a hard-nosed bitch.
Wow. Wow.
My dad used to teach me how to play Cat Stevens on the guitar when I was...
Oh, I can't keep it in. Gotta let it out.
Keep it in, can't let it out.
Why walk alone?
Turn slightly this way.
Taxi driver, I can't hear you sing.
Oh!
I can't hear you sing.
Who is this?
Cat Stevens.
Alright. Love the cat.
Can't
keep it in, I gotta let it out.
Pulse, will you roll me a cigarette? Shut up, Steve. Don't say anything.
Why are you showing off?
I don't know.
Do you want a shirt? Do you want to
Yeah,
share this one?
yeah, I definitely do. Come on, Neon. I'm giving this for Loz. This is for Loz, boss.
Hey, drivers.
Look at that, guys. That looks so lush. Look, up there. Quick, guys. Oh, you missed it. The big London Eye. Oh, God. Look through there. Look.
London Eye, mate.
Yeah, but it looked lush.
We live in London. London town.
But it looked lush. Oh, you fuckers.
Coxie's sister's getting married on the London Eye.
Where was Cox's
On the
Road?
London Eye.
Yeah, and they're getting there and then having the reception in the Marriott.
Wow. That's all right, isn't it?
That's proper. That's quite fun.